Alright, so let's go through this question. 7. You have positive integers a, b, c, d that sum to 63, and you want to find the maximum of, so what is the maximum of AB plus BC plus CD? And I guess in the context of this test, you know the answer is like less than 1,000. So if you get 9 something, you're probably going to be right. And I mean, I'm going to try to show you sort of how I did it, not necessarily what the best way of doing it is. It's just kind of, you know, it's kind of easy enough that you don't really have to be too efficient. So I wrote something, I factorized this A plus C times B plus CD. And I substituted 63 minus B minus D in here. And then you get 63 minus B squared minus DB plus CD. Okay. And already you see that the answer is going to be related to maximizing the value of C and D together. Okay. So in kind of basically what we did was use this relation to get rid of A. So A is whatever the difference is between the sum of the other 3 and 63. Okay, so the B here is going to be entirely making this smaller because B squared is always positive. And B is always positive as well. So B is having a bad negative contribution here as well. So obviously the smaller the B, the better. So this means we're going to make B equals 1. Okay. So if B equals 1, we have, this is 62 minus D plus CD. So 62 minus plus CD minus D. Okay, we don't care about A anymore. And so another way of saying this is 62 plus C minus 1 times D. So we don't care about B anymore. We don't care about A anymore, and then we only care about C and D, and it looks like the bigger we make C and D, the better, okay? So we know that C and D have to add up to something less than 62, okay? And the B will make it something less than 63, and A will make up the difference. Okay, but since we want them as big as possible, we might as well just say they add up to 63. So with the B being 1 and the A being at least 1, that means they add up to 61. So, or if you want to just consider C minus 1 as a thing, which might be nicer, then you could say C minus 1 plus D has to add up to 60. Okay, so that's setting A and B equal to 1. And that's the biggest they have. So, you could see that maybe by guessing, a nice symmetry is that you take both of them equal to 30. So then you get the answer is 962. Okay. Yeah, so basically the question is maximize xy subject to the such that x plus y equals 60. Okay. And you'll easily see by maybe making it a quadratic in x that the answer is when x and y are both 30. Okay, so it's important to get not just the answer, but kind of convince yourself the answer is right. And like a sort of minor convincing is to say that 960 is already pretty close to 1,000 from the question, but then you could actually also maximize it like that.